See, this is a tree. Trapezium. I will again repeat. A quadrilateral is a trapezium when? If you prove one pair is parallel. Now, if in a trapezium you prove both the sides are parallel, it becomes a parallelogram. Now, taking parallelogram can be made to rhombus as well as rectangle. So, for it to be a rhombus, you need to prove all sides equal in a parallelogram. Then it becomes a rhombus. Now, rectangle, when does a parallelogram become a rectangle? If you prove one angle is 90 degrees. Now, you can make a rhombus and a rectangle to a square. So a rhombus is a square when a rhombus is a square when one angle is 90. Right? A rhombus is a square one angle is 90. Similarly, a rectangle is a square when all the sides are equal. So if you say this, a square is a special quadrilateral. Square is a special quadrilateral because it inherits all the properties. It is a parallelogram, and it inherits all the properties. Right? So square is the special quadrilateral. Every square is a rhombus. This is true. Every square is a parallelogram, rectangle, because it is a special quadrilateral square. I will share a very magical property, interesting property by which you will feel easy if I come from top to bottom. A special property is adding, right? So when I'm coming from top to bottom, every time the bottom one has a special property, isn't it? So then always it is false. False means every trapezium is a parallelogram. False. You're coming from top to bottom. Every parallelogram is a rectangle. False. Top to bottom. False. Because why? Special property adds. Go from bottom to top. All the statements are true. Trapezium is a parallelogram? False. Again, every trapezium is a rectangle? False. Every trapezium is a square? False. Now, every rectangle is a parallelogram? Bottom to top? True. Every rectangle is a trapezium? True. Every parallelogram is a trapezium? True. So I'm just answering in just 1 second. So this is a magical property. I don't think that you will take so much time in creating this tree. So once you have this tree in place, you can answer all the statement questions.